Crappie on August 1st, 2024. Massive one. Like, I need the net for this one.
Thinks he's all big, bad, and strong. Sorry.
Yippee!
Yahee!
Go down there by that canoe. That's the boat launch where we can put the kayaks in.
I'd stop right
Yeah,
there.
we'll just carry them in. I know. Alright guys, first time ever crappie fishing. Crappie, whatever you want to call them. First, I just want to go over my box. I just picked stuff out of my bass box and stuff and just kind of made it work. But those swim baits, different soft plastics, crankbait, and some more soft plastics. Those literally have a crappie on them, so I'm assuming those catch crappie. I'm gonna be starting out first with a crappie jig. Start out with that. So yeah. Please, I've never caught a crappie off a fishing pole, just through the ice with ice traps. Ooh, got a fish. First, got a crappie! I got a crappie! Yes way! Look! First cast! I thought I felt a bite. Crappie jig. Guys, that's so amazing. This. Wow! I'm so happy if you guys can't tell. Mom, I got one! First cast. My personal best crappie is 12 inches. My first crappie off fishing pole. We're just gonna get a quick measurement on this bad boy. Guys, I'm so happy. Probably a 9 or so incher. 8-inch black crappie. Alright, thank you honey for the bite, much appreciated. There. Alright guys, that was so epic. Very first cast of the entire day. Got my first crappie. An 8-inch crappie. See, I was just reeling like this and it was honestly like close to the boat. Was that just a lucky cast? Just reviewed that footage. Kind of motivated me to fish some more. Try to catch another crappie. But it's a Walmart Eagle Claw 1/8 ounce jig head, Temu snap swivel, and a Walmart Zebco slingshot 5'6" spinning rod. Well, that's another species, Jensen, I can add that I've caught off this fishing pole. I've caught landlocked salmon, smallmouth bass, chain pickerel, red breast sunfish,
Almost.
pumpkin seed sunfish. I've never caught an Atlantic.
I'm going
Why?
over to where
Oh. I was gonna say, really? Some sort of little micro paddle tail or something. Still new to soft plastics. Oh. Okay. Yep. Okay. I can live with this. Got a GoPro. I really want a GoPro. Please help me hit hundreds of thousands of subscribers. I'd like to get monetized. Buy me a nice GoPro. And, you know, live the YouTuber's dream. You just mean a lot to me, guys. If I can start making money on YouTube, you're gonna get way more crazy content. This'll happen like every day. If I could fish full time, that'd be my dream. I told you guys, for some reason I felt confident in that spot. Ooh! Oh! Jensen, I just lost one. I think it was a big sunfish, Jen. Or a baby crappie, couldn't tell. Because I keep on getting nibbles.
Fish on, boys.
No way! Jensen, wait.
I told you YouTube, a handy dandy worm.
I want to see it. Don't release it.
This might be my personal best.
Oh, yeah.
This thing's a monster.
Wait. Let me come over.
This is my
Wait.
personal best.
Pinch
red
its
breast.
lip,
My personal best red breast.
and I'll take a picture.
It's almost 8 inches.
Wait, look and smile. Wait, I ain't took the picture yet. Yeah. Alright, guys. We're gonna move to a worm. Well, JD, I'm happy you caught something. You ain't caught a crappie yet, but hey.
Oh, I've caught 2 sunfish.
2? Dude!
Hey guys, I was jigging. The rod started breaking in half.
That's a new personal best, isn't it? Dang.
This is 4 or 5 inches longer.
Hmm?
No, this is like 2 inches longer.
I'll get you a picture
Guys,
with it.
YouTube, you wipe down the pokey pieces.
Why were you so quiet? Why didn't you tell me? I could have recorded it. Wait, I'll get you a picture.
Yeah, this is my personal best.
Wait, I ain't took it yet. Okay, you're good.
Thanks for the bite.
Jensen!
Oh my God, it knows it.
That's a fatty, too.
Daughter must give her some roses.
Alright, guys. Here's a big old red breast.
God,
Alright, thank you for the bite.
God,
Much
Ashley,
appreciated.
Look at this. It's literally pokey.
Uh-huh.
There's a little...
I'm the only one. Oh. Oh! Big sunfish. Big sunfish. Jensen. Look how big this is. Second, Jen.
He's under me.
Get yours. Wait. Let me zoom in on yours. Monster sunfish. Wait. Just a sec, Jen. Thank you, honey, for the bite. Much appreciated. Okay, wait. Show me the one you just got.
New species today, pumpkin seed. Thank you for the bite. Thank you very much.
Black crappie, pumpkin seed sunfish, and a red breast sunfish. And I've got...
As soon as I let it
Ooh! Dude!
Dude, I was letting it down to jig.
We're literally catching some of the biggest sunfish of our life right here.
There it is.
Wait. I didn't want it.
We're just catching fish.
Thank you for the bite. Much appreciated.
Unhook 'em.
I'd like to go catch a white sucker though. I've never caught one off fishing pole. I've caught them, like jumped on them and grabbed them and scooped them in buckets, like right there. Me and a friend of mine, we'd hold buckets and we'd... Okay, I just somehow managed to get in without drowning. Sit down. I'm gonna pull you in. I told you to sit down.
Not you.
Headed into Madunky on August 1st, 2024. Nice size whitetail. Alright, Mom. See ya later. Going all the way to that point over there. What used to be a cold water trout pond. Now infested with crappie, yellow perch, and lily pad. Pretty bird right there. Getting actually like close to it.
Is it okay to go to it?
No, stay away from it. Respect it. Probably only like 15 yards from it. Oh, just dove. Way down there.
Yeah, I just got some crazy speed. I got
Please, God, let me catch crappie. My personal best crappie. Every crappie I've ever caught was out of this lake. And my personal best crappie was caught about right here. This 12-inch. Ain't a very big one, but I also don't have a lot of crappie fishing under my belt.
slammed it.
You got one? Oh! Crappie? Good job, buddy. I'm so proud of you. Let me come over. Let me come over. Let me come over. I'll take your picture with it. Wait, holy, that's a tiny one. Wait, don't let go of it. It's gonna wiggle so bad. Wait.
I got my hand down.
Yeah, that's where you want it. Wait.
Dude, this way. First crappie I've caught. Oh,
Okay, hold it and smile. Wait,
wait, I want to
Dip
get
it.
a lure on it.
okay. Hey, I'm fishing that same exact thing. Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Whoa! Yeah? Do you want, here, I'll give you.
Yeehaw!
Wait, measure him. Don't drop my tape measure. Wait, you want me to measure him? Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Wait,
yeah.
wait, no. I don't trust myself. Here, you measure him.
Yeah.
No, Jensen, he'll flop if you let go of him. That's my brother. Okay. This ain't no 8
Now
inch.
he cannot flop through. 9.
What?
Almost
Wait.
9. 8 3/4.
8
without the
3/4?
tail pink. So that's just about 9.
Yeah.
That was big.
Let it go.
Thank you for the bite, honey. Very much appreciated.
And they splash when they leave. You might do a backflip. Sometimes they do backflips. Yeah. Look, I literally got the same thing. Just only difference is I got a snap swivel, you don't. Oh! Got one! Oh, spit! Ow! It bit right at the dock, too. I mean, right at the boat. Woo! Same size as yours, too. You'd think they were the same fish. Yeah! Yeah, from my hook. Oh, Jensen. I'm now in first place with a 9 3/4. Yeah, really.
That's a 10 incher.
That's a 9 3/4 inch black crappie.
No, it's 10 incher.
All right, honey. Thank you for the bite. It was very much appreciated. And he gone. Ain't a better feeling being out on the water. Oh. Alright, we're back to where I caught the crappie. Same spot. Just gonna try to repeat that. Maybe there's a whole school of them. If I was that lucky. Please, God, let me catch another crappie. It literally bit underneath the kayak. Oh! Judson! Massive one! Like, I need the net for this one. Oh! Judson! This is a massive one! I mean, the biggest crappie I've ever seen! Get over here! I'm gonna need your help. Look at it. Look at it. I know, boy. Bro, this is like a huge crappie.
Bro.
Oh, don't let him out of the net.
Crappie, that's like a... I'm gonna start jigging right now.
Okay, I hope you get one, buddy. I need...
Hope I get an 18. That's gotta be 14 plus.
Okay, let me get your picture. I need to get this massive one, Jensen. Hurry. Let me get your picture. Quick. We found the school of them. We found the school of them, boy. All right, I need your help with this huge crappie. Let it go. Yeah. Hurry. I need to get this massive crappie measured. Jensen, hurry.
I know that's gotta get bigger. No.
Okay, so pretty much what we're gonna do is you need to be right here, okay?
Holding it tight.
Uh-huh. Because we cannot let this fish get away. Not yet. Okay?
Jeez, this is...
A big crappie, and we're on a school of them. Wait! This is a 13-inch crappie, new PB. Jensen, what do you think of my new PB crappie?
Pretty good.
Okay, I want to weigh it.
You gotta do this fast, Ashton. It's been out of the water a few minutes.
I know. 1 pound, 0.5 ounces.
What the flip?
This is a 1 pound crappie. Thank you, honey, so much for the bite. New PB crappie, 13 inches, 1 pound. This is a beast. Thank you, honey, so much for the bite. So much appreciated. New PB crappie. Man, that is a beast.
Ashton.
Oh, what a fight. That was a Goliath, guys. That was like crazy, literally. That was awesome, amazing. Amazing experience. Huge crappie. 1 pound, 13-inch black crappie. Second time fishing for crappie open water. New PB. And where are we, Jensen? Where are we? This is where I caught my big one. Where are we? Another one. Oh. Guys, I'm having a blast. First time crappie fishing. Might want to loosen this so I can get my camera out, not tighten it. There. Little end, probably 8 inches long, maybe smaller. Thank you, honey, for the bite. Much appreciated. Do you really? Dude! Much appreciated. I'm telling you, we're on the school, boy. Let me zoom in the camera and get you a picture with it. And then just toss it back. Okay, show it to me. Smile. Wait. Yeah, toss him back. Hurry, so we can get on the school. Hurry.
I just had to pop.
Oh.
I had to pop his eye.
Jensen, don't do that. You're so ignorant. You're so ignorant. That's so disrespectful. Wow. I'm telling you, dude, we're on a school of them. Wait. Smile. Okay, let it go. Just, I'm getting bit. Ooh. I think I got crappie on. Like, literally.
Lands on your line, too.
No, I don't. I got crappie. I think it's a really little one, though. My line's real tight. Gonna put my hook headset on. Oh, yeah, another little one. Holy crap, this one I'm actually gonna have to unhook. It was that hook set, bro. Man, I set the hook on this one good.
Good?
Yeah.
I got another, but I got a...
Alright, thank you, honey, for the bite. Much appreciated. There he goes. I'm not a crappie fisherman. This is my literal second time ever fishing for a crappie in open water. But we must be doing something right, because we are catching them. Shoot. Alright, everybody. Somehow I had a mess, and I had 3 different lines pulling out of this. I don't even know what caused what happened. No, I ain't gonna let her. I'm gonna respect the wildlife and the environment, and we're just gonna have the fishing line right here, and we'll properly dispose of it when we have the opportunity. So now I just gotta bring this back through my spinning rod, pull it through, tie my snap swivel on again, and yeah. So long. Alright. There's one weird duck. Getting into the warm water section of the lake. Down there. By my brother. That's where we're boat landing. Is he in his underpants? Oh my goodness. Wait.
Dude,
That'd be good bass food.
No, I'm gonna...
Another big one.